Hello viewers, I am S. Rajesh Kumar, lecturer in English, SR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana. Our today's topic is syllables. We have learned that sound system of a language consists of vowel and consonant sounds. We have learned this sound system in our intermediate and lower classes. There are 44 sounds, vowels and consonants. Okay, so let us see what's a syllable. A word is made up of syllables. A word may have one or more syllables. Vowels and consonants are the elements of a syllable. Okay, so put it simply, a syllable is a group of one or more sounds with the vowel sound as its essential part. Vowel is an essential part, its main part. Vowel is a nucleus to the word syllable. So words are made of one or more syllables. For example, I'll give you an example. Text is one syllable, but textbooks is made up of two syllables. Text books, two syllables. Text, one syllable. Okay, are you following? For example, take the word America. America. It consists of four syllables. America. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. America. So four syllables. Okay. So the number of vowel sounds in a word is an indication of the number of syllables it has. For example, if there are two vowel sounds, it indicates two syllables. If there are three vowel sounds, three syllables. So usually the number of vowel sounds in a word is an indication of the number of syllables. See the word text, only one vowel, so one syllable. Textbooks, text a, books o, books, two vowels, so two syllables. Is it clear? And I have also given some examples in the slide. Words friend. When we pronounce friend, all the sounds F R E N D friend are produced together. Is there any pause between each sound? Observe friend. No, there is no pause between each sound. Friend has only one syllable. Okay, so each group of sound that can be articulated together is known as a syllable. Each group of sound, friend, a group of sound, we have articulated to together. Friend is one syllable. Second word, friendly. There are two groups. We take a small pause after friend and then the second syllable li is produced. Friendly, small pause, friendly. So there are two syllables in the word friendly. Friendly. Okay. Next, friendliest. Friendliest. It has three syllables. Three syllables. We produce three syllables together. Friendliest. 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 Friendly. Two syllables. Friendliest. est. Est. Friendliest. Three syllables. Okay. So it is clear now. Friend has one syllable. Friendly has two syllables. Friendliest has three syllables. So remember one thing, the vowel is the nucleus or the obligatory part of a syllable, while a consonant is optional. Vowel is must. It is nucleus. It's a part of syllable. A syllable can consist of only a vowel. I, only a vowel. Adult, only Next, vowel is symbolized by V and consonant is symbolized by C in this slide. So to identify which is a vowel and which is consonant, have given symbols: V for vowel, C for consonant. All, we see there is a vowel and consonant. All, court, CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. Can, CVC, slate, CCVC, school, CCVC, under, VCCV, mat, CVC, I, V, she, CV, consonant, vowel. Go, consonant, vowel. Tempt, tempt, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, consonant. Tempt. So syllable division is done on the basis of vowels and is marked with a hyphen. So whenever you write syllables, you put a hyphen to mark syllable. If it is monosyllable, it is called one syllable, it is called monosyllable syllable. Two syllables, disyllable. Three syllable, trisyllable. More than three, four syllables or five syllables are called polysyllables. Let us see monosyllabic words which have only one syllable, that means only one vowel in the word. Win, one vowel, one syllable. School, one syllable. Book, come, go, teach, learn. All these words have one syllable. You are uh, you know articulating the whole group together. So there is one vowel. Next, disyllabic words. Begin. So I have written hyphen between begin. So there are two syllables. Begin. Believe. Teacher. Belong. Below. Consist. Vowel. These are all two syllabic words. They are called disyllabic words. Disyllable. Okay, very simple. Your pronunciation is very important. If you pronounce it correctly, you can mark syllables very easily. Teacher, 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 two syllables. Consist, consist. Con is a group of sound, sist another group of sound. So consist. We have vowel in con and another vowel in sist. Consist of two vowels, two syllables. Trisyllabic words, three syllables. Consonant, popular, popular. Sympathy, consider, syllabic. These are all three syllabic words, trisyllabic words. So more than three, we call them as polysyllabic words. Education, entertainment, entertainment. Encouragement, encouragement. So instrumental, instrumental. Wonderfully, wonderfully. Already we have learned the word friendly, friendly. Two syllables there. Here one syllable, the. Two syllables, wonderful. Three syllable, li, four syllables. Wonderfully, four syllables. Identify the number of syllables in the following words. First word, time. How many syllables? One syllable. Mobile. How many syllables? Mobile. Two syllables. Recharge. Recharge. Two syllables. Tension. Two syllables. Computer. Computer. Observe my pronunciation. Computer. Come. One. Puter. Total three. College. Two. Phone. One. Electronic. Four. Company. Three. Calculator. Four. Politics. Three. So this is an exercise done for you. Another exercise is there in the slide. Read the words and write each word in the correct column. I have given 4 columns: one syllable, monosyllable, disyllable, and trisyllable, polysyllables. And also I have given some words. Read them, then try to put in correct column. 18, 1, alas, winter, dictation, wedding, synonym, instrumental, girl, natural, corporation, absolute, wonderfully, bomb, greeting, moral, agitate, togetherness, work, treacherous. So these are all words. I have read these words. So now uh, have answered some words. Syllable, one syllable, one. Okay, 2 syllables, 18, 18, teen, 8. So 2 syllables. Dictation, dictation, 3 syllables. Instrumental, 4 syllables. Absolute, 3 syllables. Treacherous, 4 syllables. So remaining words you try to write them in correct column. Okay, this is exercise for you. With this we finish syllables topic. Thank you for watching this video. Next video we'll see another grammar topic. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.